Actually OEME screen even. So this is also OEME, the proximity sensor, earpiece kit, and some proximity sensors. Okay, even these are also OEME part, but still the Face ID was not functioning. And then I removed all. Hello guys, you are on Explorer TV. Actually today I'm going to show you when you replace the screen, actually, so why the Face ID won't work, and there is a not available option or unable to process the Face ID after screen replacement. Actually these phones, two phones and two screens, are actually OEME screens. So this is actually like a nice screen, and this is also a OEME screen, but lots of scratches on it. So this is my original phone. It fell down from the 5th floor actually, so it bent it, and luckily the screen was not damaged. Okay, and then now this phone I bought from Kijiji actually for parts. So somebody was selling on parts. This is maybe iCloud locked phone, so he was selling cheap. Okay, so now I am moving my this motherboard, the logic board, into the new casing actually. So now I'm going to tell you how to remove the logic board and the battery. So battery is already I have removed, so just put some heat on the glass of the back of the phone, and then you can remove the battery. So okay, after removing the battery, 1, 2 and 3, this is the jacket of the SIM, the nano SIM jacket. So you have to 1, 2 and 3 unscrew that, and then remove the use a pry tool to remove this flex cable. Only one flex cable, okay, and remove this one. So it's removed, and then the second flex cable. Okay, so and this flex cable, and this camera flex cable. Okay, so this is one more flex cable, this flex cable, and this flex cable. Okay, and there are one screw here, one screw here, and one here, and one screw is here. And then under there are two screws here, one upper level, and then after the metal sheet there is another screw, flathead screw actually, the bigger one, and one screw here, and one on this corner. Okay, so when you remove all these, you can easily remove the logic board from the casing, the housing. Oh, there is one left, so this one. Yes, so now you can easily remove the logic board. And okay, so how to remove the Face ID kit? So just be careful. Yeah, so this is Face ID. Okay, so I removed Face ID. I put into the new one, the same thing. I put into the new casing, which I bought a brand new casing, which was on sale for parts. So I put into a new casing, and then I attached the new screen. Actually, this is old screen, the scratchy one, and the new screen. Okay, as it is, I removed. So when I put on, and then it was still showing Face ID is not available. So after putting out, it's actually OEME screen even. So this is also OEME, the proximity sensor, earpiece kit, and some proximity sensors. Okay, even these are also OEME part, but still the Face ID was not functioning. And then I removed this is my old one. I removed this kit and paste and install on the new screen, which is with the new parts phone. And then I fixed the screen, and my Face ID was absolutely working fine, everything fine. Okay, so I just want to tell you how to remove how to remove the proximity and earpiece kit. Just be careful while removing this part, because this is a very sensitive IC and some sensors on it. So this is iPhone 10R now, so Apple made this bigger kit and proximity sensors. It's easy to remove, just to be careful some points. So first take a Phillips head screwdriver and remove 4 screws, 1, 2 and 3, and there is a very tiny, I never seen an iPhone, so there is very tiny. So this is a different you need a different head screwdriver. It's a little different than a Phillips head. So just remove this one and this one. Okay, this one, and then you can use the very tiny one is on here. Okay, so one more thing I want to mention to you. There was a plate, this plate was sitting on this sensor actually. So just before removing this one, just watch for this plate. So just remove from here. Okay, so just simply do the this earpiece kit like that, and then you can use a pry tool to do that. And there is a one this is a sensor for the earpiece. Okay, so before I already removed that, so just want to show you. Just careful on this sensor, just use your pry tool slowly, and then just be careful on this from this point, because this is more sensitive here. And also this sensor is sitting inside this edge. Yeah, so there is an edge here, yeah, sitting in this edge. Yeah, just be careful and just remove like this from this edge. Okay, for example, yeah, I inserted it back, and this one, and then yeah, so these are sitting like as it is. So just remove this one slowly, and then this one from there. Okay, so I removed this proximity kit and all sensors from my old screen, which was not in good position. And also obviously I bought a new phone about for parts, so the screen was very brand new, so why not I use in my new phone. So that's why, so I removed this one from my old phone and install on this screen. Okay, and also I remove old proximity face ID sensor kit into my new phone. Okay, so here it is. So then when I install these all and paste my screen, everything was working fine.